Did you know you can eat a full day of delicious vegan food for under $7? Today, I'll show you exactly how and share why the Divine Chef is transitioning into budget-friendly recipes to help all of us save money and still eat amazing food. Hey friends, it's Rosemary from the Divine Chef. Over the year, I've heard from so many of you that groceries are getting expensive. I feel it too. That's why I'm shifting this channel towards budget-friendly vegan meals. You'll still get all the flavor, the joy, and the delicious food, but I'll be showing you how to stretch your dollar while eating delicious vegan food. Let's start our day with some vegan French toast made with sourdough bread, a simple plant milk batter, and some fresh fruit. Served with coffee, it's filling and delicious. For lunch, I'm making a simple pasta with garlic, olive oil, red pepper flakes, and spinach. Buying pantry staples like pasta, rice, and beans in bulk really saves money. Plus, they last forever. A sprinkle of nutritional yeast makes it cheesy without the cost of vegan cheese, and it gives it a boost of vitamin B. This one-pot curry is hearty and feeds 4 people for just about $1.60 per serving. With veggies and protein-packed chickpeas, served over rice, it's an amazing complete meal. Here's a money saver, dried chickpeas. A bag costs about $2 and yields about 5 to 6 cups. Compare that to canned chickpeas, where you might pay $2 for just one can. So when I have time, I cook chickpeas in bulk and freeze the rest for recipes like this. For dessert, the easiest budget-friendly treat, peanut butter and ice cream. If you buy ripe bananas in the discount section, they're usually cheaper and sweeter and perfect for freezing. I use them for smoothies, pancakes, and muffins, and especially in ice cream. So this entire day of plant-based eating costs just $6.30 total. That's breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert, all under $7. Today's video was about easy vegan meals that won't break the bank. This is just the beginning of the Divine Chef's new budget-friendly chapter. If you're going to try one of the recipes, which one would it be? The French toast, the curry, the greens pasta, or the nice cream? Let me know in the comments. And while you're at it, like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who you know want to save money too. And be sure to check out my 2 favorite videos right here. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.